My name is Sundaraj. Uh,
By the way, Sundaraj, what makes you come to this 4-day EKSP seminar?
More of this when I attended their preview, and the testimonial was provided on the medical side, the proven medical, and the when I saw one of the participants came up the front and told that certain things what he was felt cured and all that, and it was backed up with the science, medically, doctors certificates and all that.
So you were impressed then?
Yes, I was impressed, and I wanted a change, and I would really wanted to try out at first, but no regrets.
By the way, when you come here now, you've been with us for 3 days plus. Actually, 3 days Cheese Energy workshop. Now, in the 3-day seminar, what do you feel and what do you do? And by the way, I noticed that you said that before you started, you can't touch the floor. And after open the meridian at the back, you say you can touch the floor. Can you verify and talk about it?
Yeah, sure. You see, due to my weight and all that, I'm about 125 kilos, right? And due to my tummy, which is big, I'm not able to bend down to touch even I can only go down a maximum up to my knee level, not more than that. Even the first day when I bent down and all that, when Master Wong and you asked us to do, I was not able to do it. But on the second day morning when I tried, I was able to go lower, and by lunchtime I was able to touch down. This is on the first day's experience. On the second day is the results already there, where I was able to touch the floor. I was surprised myself, and most of the participants who attended, they saw this. They noticed that I really touched down. So that was an incredible thing. Another thing is, when the first day after the exercise, when I went back home, I thought it was nothing, just tired and all that, and hoping to have a good sleep. But then my wife complained the following morning before I come down for this session that my body was smelly. It smells more than normally. Where I've been married for almost 2 years and sleeping with my wife and all that, and we have no problem, and she did not complain any of these sort of things until the day, or my first day night, where I had these problems of she claims that it's smelly. She can't take the smell.
By the way, that means it verified that I say on the first day a lot of toxin comes through your skin and it's smelly. Does it justify and verify that?
I definitely believe so, because I do not get the smell, because to me it's normal, but my wife complains, and she's a bit, she's really complains that it's really smelly. Probably, as what you said, the toxic is coming out. As another thing which I did not explain, I didn't want, it is quite embarrassing, it is my sex life performance on my first day when I went back. I really performed, and that was very hot. And my wife was surprised that I could stand extra longer, but I did not tell anyone. But some of the participants know in the next morning itself. But I didn't want to say it. It's quite embarrassing, especially when Malaysians, when we talk about sex and all that, right? But it lasted longer than the normal.
In other words, after opening your meridian, even on the first day, it works.
Yes, it worked. It worked on the first day, and I realized it happens about 2 to 3 in the morning. Suddenly I kind of felt a warm down there, a bit hot, and I was able to perform better, and I was quite surprised. And my wife was surprised, and she asked me, is this what worked for 2,000 months? No, this is serious. That's what she said. She said, there's an improvement on the first day, and she encouraged me to continue.
That means, in other words, if you keep on doing it, it will be beyond your expectation?
Yes, I believe, definitely. In fact, the next day when I came back, I told some of my friends and all that who attended these classes to keep on practicing that particular exercise, because that really works. You come in, you do it, it works. Worth for money.
In other words, it really is what I explained to you, that this is something which is not fantasy, but really work.
Only when you go... You see, as a normal layman outside, we can say all kind of things. It's bullshit, it's bluff, just taking the money and all that. Only when you go through this, you experience yourself, you will know whether it's worth it or not. It is all depends on you, whether you are serious or you're not serious. You go through it, you will know the result yourself.
By the way, if you keep on practicing for the next 1-2 years, next 1 or 2 months, would you think that you're going to get better and better?
Definitely, I've seen the result myself. One, in my sex life. Two, I believe now my tummy is slightly smaller. Not in 4 days, not much difference, but my wife can notice there is a difference. My office trousers, I see there's a mild difference, which I got to keep on practice. If I don't practice, it's pointless. Whatever has been taught by you, Mr. Wong, is not going to be useful if I do not practice it. You see, miracles do not happen until we work on it, right? What they say is no pain, no gain.
By the way, will you be introducing to your friends this thing that can help them in their lives?
Definitely, I'll do it. I've already got 1-2 in mind, and I'll be talking about it, because the only thing is we've been going back in the evenings and all. We sit down among our friends, we're in a coffee shop, we talk about this, and they're quite interested. In the next session, they'll be coming in.
Well, it has worked for you, yes. And we have seen people from 9 to 5. You yourself in 9 to 5, and you seems that you have more energy each time, isn't it?
Correct. Yes, I do have that. You see, due to my weight and all that, my tummy had been pushed forward, and my backache and all that, I'm still able to do it. Usually, I cannot. And the reason why, one of the reasons why I put on weight, is due to I'm lazy to walk, lazy to run, or do any sort of exercise. I come back after office about 7-8 o'clock. I sit in the house, have my bath, watch TV. That's it. That's my daily routine. Now here, standing 9 to 5, that's miracle for me to go through it, which has not happened to me, and I'm really grateful to that.
Basically, if you are tired, you have no energy, that's what you don't want to move. But if you have a lot of energy despite your weight, you can move. Is that correct?
Correct. Agree. 100% agree. Because due to a lot of energy in my body after this, I'm able to do a lot of other things. I can stay up late, and the next morning I still can be fresh and come back. I don't face a problem in that.
Do you call this Chi Synergy fantastic, or just a normal exercise?
It is definitely fantastic, but you got to keep on moving it, or else it's a waste whatever you've learned. Knowledge don't come that easily. This sort of I don't know how to describe it. Is the best thing is to fantastic. Just go through it, you will know it.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Wong.
Thank you.